Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Supra with some great exterior features that include front and rear bumper sensors, 19-inch wheels, and Brembo brakes. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got red leather interior. You also have power seats with memory seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here, you've got your cruise control. On the right, we have our phone and audio controls. You also have paddle shifters at the back. Over in the middle here, you've got your AM/FM radio along with your Bluetooth phone connection and the option for navigation. You've also got a backup camera. Right below that, we have our dual zone climate controls along with your heated seat buttons. Down at the very bottom, you have your outlets along with a wireless phone charger at the back. In the middle here, we have our carbon fiber trim pieces along with your gear shifter, your dial for the screen above. You also have your sport mode, your parking brake, and your sensors. The back of this Supra comes with quite a bit of storage space, along with a drop-down privacy screen. And at the back there, you can see it comes with built-in subwoofers. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota Supra with some great interior features that include red leather, memory seat adjustments, heated seats, and a wireless phone charger. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.